Hi, I'm Charlie Talblee. I'm a screen printing consultant. One of the items that I'm a big fan of is the double squeegee and also the roller squeegee. And one of the problems that printers run into, or challenges that printers run into, is not knowing how to use them appropriately. So there are a couple of things that you really should be doing, especially with the double squeegee. First thing, the angle that it has to go into your press is based on the two blades touching the screen at the same time. Creates a 15-degree angle. So if you have like an MHM machine, you can set it to 15 degrees. If you have an M&R machine or any of the others, you can certainly approximate that. What you're looking for is, without ink in the screen, the two blades need to be touching. When you print, what should happen is this front blade should curl to the point where it actually touches the back blade, and the back blade should have just a gentle curve to it. At that point, you're probably maxed out, and what you're going to see is a decent deposit of ink and a nice clear print. Squeegee speed. I kind of run mine to a slow to medium speed. I'm not trying to fly through it. I'm trying to set up a situation where there's consistency between flood and print. So as the print is finished, the flash has also just gone off and starts to index, and that's where roller squeegee comes into play.